Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating maths problems on various levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video I am going to solve exponents class 8 exercise 2.2 Goel Brothers Prakashan question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's check it out how to solve it. In question number 5th, we have been given if x by y equal to 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 2, we have to find out y by x raised to the power minus 1. So, for the solution of the same, x by y would be equal to 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 into 5 by 3 raised to the power 2. Why? Because we have removed the negative sign from the powers and our rational number is get reversed or reciprocated. So we can expand it and cancel it. So x by y would come out as 25 by 4. Now we have to find y by x equal raised to the power minus 1. So x by y equal to 25 by 4. So y by x would become 4 by 25 raised to the power minus 1. So for the removal of negative sign from the power, we will reciprocate 4 by 25 as 25 by 4, which is the answer of question number 5. In question number 6, if x by y equal to 4 by 7 raised to the power minus 1 into 14 by 20 raised to the power minus 2, then we will find out x by y raised to the power minus 2 as x by y equal to 7 by 4 raised to the power 1 into 20 by 14 raised to the power 2. So 7 by 4 raised to the power 1 into 20 can be written as 5 into 4 raised to the power 2 and 14 can be written as 7 into 2 raised to the power 2. So as 7 by 4 into 5 square into 4 square into 7 square into 2 square. So 4 will be cancelled by 4 square and 7 here will be cancelled by 7 square. So we will be come out as 5 square into 4 by 7 into 2 square, which will get further cancelled. So 5 square by 7, then x by y equal to 25 by 7. So we have to find out x by y raised to the power minus 2, that is 25 by 7 raised to the power minus 2. So for removal of negative sign from the power, we will reciprocate the number as 7 by 25 raised to the power 2, which will come out as 49 by 625. In question number 7, we have been given p by q equal to 4 by 9 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 4 by 9 raised to the power minus 2. So we will have to find out p by q raised to the power minus 1 plus q by p raised to the power minus 1. So let's check it out how to solve it. For solving it, we will assume p by q equal to 9 by 4 raised to the power 3 divided by 9 by 4 raised to the power 2. That is 9 by 4 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 4 by 9 raised to the power 2. So we can cancel 9 raised to the power 3 by 4 raised to the power 3 with 4 raised to the power 2 by 9 raised to the power 2. After cancellation, we will come out as 9 by 4. So we will have to find out p by q raised to the power minus 1 plus q by p raised to the power minus 1. So p by q can be written as 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 1 plus 4 by 9 raised to the power minus 1. So for removal of negative sign from the power, the number will get reciprocated as 4 by 9 plus 9 by 4. After having the LCM and dealing with the numerators, we will come out as 16 plus 81 by 36. So here answer would be 97 by 36. In question number 8, we have been given 5 by 8 raised to the power minus 2 into 5 by 8 raised to the power minus 4 equal to 5 by 8 raised to the power 3x plus 3. So if the bases are same, we will take powers as it is. So minus 2 plus minus 4 equal to 3x plus 3, minus 2 minus 4 equal to 3x plus 3, minus 2 and minus 4 would become minus 6 equal to 3x plus 3. So we will bring positive 3 to the left hand side so as to minus 3. So minus 6 and minus 3 would become as minus 9 equal to 3x. So x equal to minus 9 by 3, which will get cancelled, and answer would be as minus 3. Hope all the question number 5, 6, 7, 8 of exercise 2.2 of exponents are clear to you. If you like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.